appreciation and profound gratitude for your invaluable support during the CDO at 75 Lechon Festival, Lechoneros Encuentros Year 3, held on the 15th day of June 2025 at the Rio de Oro Boulevard, Cagayan de Oro City as part of the celebration of the 75th Cagayan de Oro Charter Day. Your dedication and contribution have greatly enriched the success of this meaningful event, reflecting the vibrant culture and spirit of Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, City Veterinarian Dr. Helen Ann P. Acondong and City Mayor Honorable Rolando A. Uwe. Certificate of Appreciation is given to BMED!
May we request our na-analyze at tubangan sa inyo.
And the same certificate of appreciation is given to Ulkay. Where any representative from Ulkay? Join us here on stage. Ato mga opisyales sa Ulkay kung wala pinasayok.
With the same citation, certificate of appreciation is given to Globe. Any representative from Globe?